Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome. My name is Julia, and here on this channel I'm trying to create some beautiful pieces that I randomly came up with. So if you found yourself interested, stay with me and let's get started. I don't know why I started with the flowers. I guess that was some kind of coping mechanism for the loads of work I had. But anyway, the fabric of choice was organza. It is non-stretchy and perfect for this type of work. I believe it is pretty self-explanatory, the process behind flower making. Just follow the video. As an example, you need about 35-40 flowers to fill your top with. If there is something that you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. For this process, you need one candle to give your petals some natural shape, threads in the same color of your fabric, needle and your hands. Here comes the instruction. I don't think that you need that, but just for recording sake, I need to say this. Place petals close together, do not take more than 2 or 3 at once, and gradually secure with a couple of stitches. Continue to do so until you have something that resembles a flower. That's it. You're welcome. If you are a visual person like me, this video will help you to understand a little bit more behind the process of pattern making. I started by tracing the band detail to give it that wave shape underneath the bust area. And also we need that detail to fit our future cups in. I'm not that great with explanations, but please bear with me. I'll try to make it quick and to the point. Here I'm tracing the future cup pattern by modifying the shape that I want my cup to have. Make sure all cups details have the same curve and length. It is easy to check. Simply place 2 details together and start from the center, go up and down, slowly following the curve. If one of your cups is missing length, simply add the length that is missing. That's it. Basically your cups are done. And please don't forget to add seam allowance all over your cups. It's simply for the following procedure of sewing that is going to be later. I am using pattern from the previous video, simply turning the pattern into the top. It is that simple. And the last steps of this top journey, we need to cut everything out and sew all details together, and the top is done. Just a quick reminder, please don't forget that our fabric is stretchy, so we need to use a zigzag stitch or overlock imitation stitch for our cups. It is not necessary to cover the seam with the bias tape that I did in the video, so if you don't want to do that, don't do it, leave the way it is. I just like to make my life difficult, I guess. Okay, and the last part, we need to sew the straps. You can make straps yourself with the same fabric, or you can buy these elastic straps and just sew it. Okay, wham bam, done. Now use your full imagination and place the flowers for your liking. I decided to concentrate simply on the top area. You can do whatever you'd like, place it however you want. Just feel free to express yourself. And here is my result. What do you think? I think it's wearable. It's not bad for the first time. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think and what would you change, or any suggestions that you have. Thank you. And here comes the skirt part. I decided to make my life simple here and just took the pattern from the previous video when we made the dress and just simply turned into a skirt. Everything was fine, just I cut it out, sew it together, and I don't know why, I don't know what happened to me, I decided to cut out the part from the skirt. No idea why I did that. Was it necessary? I don't think so. Why I did that? I don't know, but now we have a problem and I need to cover this part. After placing it on mannequin, I decided to have this sheer moment, let's put it this way, on the side, and of course I need to cover it with the same fabric, but with one layer only. So this is the idea behind. After a couple of tries, I finally found the shape that I need, and I started to cut it out and put it all together in the hope that this is gonna cover for my impulsive decision to cut it from the first place. The process was simple. I just line the detail with the skirt, pin it all together. This pinning process took a while. Afterwards, I've been using an overlock imitation stitch to secure this part, and after it's done, I simply flipped the upper part over, and here is a little bit tricky part. I lined the upper part with the seam that was previously made, and by using it as a guide, I saw the upper part detail on top of it. Thereby, the upper part of the skirt stayed fixed, so it's not going to move while you walk. and the lower part of the skirt is going to be flowy. That was the idea. And here a little bit of styling examples for you. I don't think that you need them, but that's the way I'm going to finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye.